Guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install DBeaver on Ubuntu 26.04 operating system. To download the software, in Google search box, write there DBeaver, then go on this DBeaver IO site. Click this. So here you can get two types of DBeaver. One is community. This is free. You can use this. So you can get this all. So community is free, so that I'm going to download this. Click on this download. Then you can, for Linux or for Ubuntu, you can use their dev file. Let's click this. So here, the total size is 119 MB. Dev file, C Community Edition 26 Linux operating system. This is currently downloading. This here, DBeaver C or dev file that's downloaded. Let's click on this join folder. So this here, now, thereafter, right click, then rename, selecting this all, copy, right click, then open in terminal. So this here, now let's increase the size little bit. Thereafter, pasting this name, writing the command sudo bpkg -i, and here the file name. Press enter, give their password. So this is now unpacking, and here. So you can see this is not opening there. This message, that's now if I go into this and search here DBeaver. So here you can see DBeaver, that's come there. You need to click this and wait for, here you can see DBeaver Community Edition, or this that's come there. Let's click don't share, confirm, yes, and here you can get this sample data base from SQLite. Here you can see. So let's click on this or download the driver of SQLite. Now you can get these tables. Here, this all that's come there. Let's view the tables. So here you can see this is the column. Now if I go on this data, you can get this data also. So by following this step, we can easily install their DBeaver on Ubuntu. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.